Since 2024, Sui's price increased over 180% and 1000 Sui are now worth $1,600. But how much will 1000 Sui be worth in 2025? In this video I share my Sui price prediction for 2025 with long and short-term analysis, and we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Sui to make maximum profits. So let's go straight into the content. First of all, Sui is on place 47 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of nearly $2 billion. Sui is a very interesting project, and after this longer bearish move, we then finally saw this bullish reaction, and now we moved nearly into a new all-time high. And if we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low, we are seeing this potential price targets, and I think these price targets are very realistic for the next time. Because again, Sui has just a market cap of $2 billion. And if the bullish trend continues on the total crypto market cap, then the chances high that we could see even higher prices. And especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chances high that much money flows into the crypto market. And if just a small percentage flows into Sui, the chance that we could reach this kind of highs is very high. But I think the potential for the bull run peak for Sui is even higher, because Sui is one of the best performing altcoins in this year. And if we would compare Sui right now to the all-time high of VeChain from the market cap wise, we would have a potential of $14.50 and 8.5x. And I think this comparison makes sense because VeChain was one of the best performing altcoins in 2021. And if Sui continues to go to the upside, the chance that we could reach this kind of prices is very realistic in my opinion. And from the prices right now to this kind of target, we would have potential of over 800%. Of course, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. But as I said, I think the chances high that Sui could reach this kind of highs, especially if much money flows into the whole crypto market. So we looked for potential price targets, and now we are looking for potential buy zones for Sui. And here we have the first really interesting demand zone, because from this demand zone we saw this push into this new highs. So the chance that we now can continue this bullish trend is very high. So if we are seeing now a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is definitely a great potential long area to trade from right here. And if we would see an even larger retracement from Sui, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here. Because from this demand zone we saw this push to these highs we made in higher high. So if we see prices like this and see a bullish reaction, then I think the chances high that we could see much higher prices from this zone. So all in all, I think these areas are two great technical areas to get into a potential long trade on Sui. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Sui, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all guys, Sui is a great project with a very high potential. And to answer the question from the beginning, how much will 1000 Sui be worth in 2025? If you would reach this kind of price target of $14.50, then 1000 Sui would be worth $14,500. Of course, again guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. And it's always important to use a strict risk management and don't put your money into one coin. Please keep this in mind guys. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.